Right, so it's day 2. I'm stuck in the Merchants at the moment, but I've just picked up some wood ready for the stud wall. Yeah, so today should be a better day. I should get a few more hours than I did yesterday. But yeah, it's all going good so far, hopefully. I'll be out of here in a minute. Yeah, but only on that side, not on this side, but it's on that side. The wall's almost out now. Yeah, it's flew out, to be fair. We're going to put a stud wall in here. So, well, Spencer's going to put a wall in here. So we're going to finish getting it off. Time to clean up them, and then we'll see what we need to get ready for the next day. That's the end of day 2. It's gone alright today. So what we've managed to do today is we've managed to knock that wall down. So we're going to put a stud wall in, and it's going to work out for the better because all the electrics can go inside the stud wall, and because there is like a big thick cable that was protruding beforehand, so that can go inside the stud, and that's going to look a lot neater and a lot nicer when I come to plasterboarding it later on. I'm not here tomorrow. Spencer's going to put the studding up, and then we're going to start knocking all the render off then. So that's the plan. But yeah, as I said, it's going to plan. We're all pretty happy with how it's going along. We've not found any problems yet. So we propped up the ceiling because we know which way the joists are running. So we put a plank on the props. And then we've actually put some of the covering on top of it as well, just so it doesn't mark the ceiling at the same time. Got that all nice and level, and it was holding everything nicely. And then the bricks fell out because they're actually not supporting anything there. So that was a nice and easy way of taking the wall down. It was actually really wobbly, the wall, so we had to do it bit by bit. But you can't see it in the video because my battery died. Right guys, well this is my 3rd day. It's actually day 4 probably, as I had a day off yesterday. So and Spence was there, so hopefully today the stud work's going to be all up, and then we're going to be knocking off. So that's what the plan for today is. But it's not such a nice day today. It is pretty miserable now. But yeah, I'm just on my way there now, and we'll see what we can do today. One thing to say is I hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. That was amazing. I did that yesterday or the day before, I can't remember now. But yeah, that's a big goal for me. So thank you if you have watched my channel, and if you've liked or subscribed, thank you again. Yeah, so that's ace. I've managed to get this a lot sooner than I thought I would. So yeah, thank you guys. we've got a gas. I don't know if you can hear this, but there is a gas pipe running all the way down there. So you've got to be super careful when knocking off with stuff like that. It just, it's not worth trying to rush knocking off, especially inside houses, because there's like wires and stuff that you can find all over the show. See it there? So yeah, always be aware. It looks better now, doesn't it? At least you know how we're going to get on with this arch as well.
Yeah, well, that's
There's no work in that now, is there? So it'll be interesting. Hopefully this fireplace will be the same as that one.
I think this one's going to be better.
Right, so I'm just leaving the job now. That's day 4 done. So today I've just been knocking off the walls. So I've got half of it done now. So if I come back on Monday, I should be able to finish knocking off the rest of the walls in the other room. The extractor fan has been brilliant, to be fair. It is definitely a good investment. I bought that the other day from Amazon. You know, for the money, it makes sense to have it. I think it cost me 160 quid. So that's it's been really good. It's just taken all the dust out of the room and just basically kept us on top of it all. Especially when you're working in somebody's house, you want to be keeping the dust down to a minimum. It's Friday today, so I've got the weekend off now, which is nice. But I am currently going to go and meet my wife at a test centre for my little one. So, not the best end of the week. She's got a high temperature after coming back from school, so not what we wanted, but hopefully she'll be all right. Hopefully it's just a little bug and it isn't the main thing. Right, so it's Monday morning. I'm starting again. Everything came back clear with the tests, so I'm back to working, so that's good. Today we're just going to be knocking off, and then we are going to keep everything and do a bit more preparation. So that's the end of this day. So we've finally finished knocking off all the walls, which was nice to get that out of the way, all the dust really. So tomorrow my job will be doing some tanking, which is just arrived at mine, so I'll go and pick that up in a bit. But yeah, it's been a good day today. Nice to get rid of some of the dust now. Well, nice to stop doing any of the dusty work now. So right guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like and a subscribe. Cheers to everyone who has subscribed now. I hit my goal of getting to 1,000 subscribers now, so I am now on to the next milestone. So yes, thank you very much guys. I'll catch you on the next video next Tuesday. Cheers.